Howdy y'all, Kevin here. What's in the Self-Reliance Outfitters box today? It's not really today because I've actually had this box for a while, just haven't done the video on it. And I actually bought two sets of this, so I already have one open, so I don't have to do this. But if you order the Brew Kit combo, you get a 25-ounce cup and lid, and a brew basket, and a brew lid. You can order these separately, this and this, but together they're $23.99. If you only need the brew kit, then it is $9.99. I already opened one, so I cheated. In just the brew kit, you get the basket and a lid. In the Brew Kit combo, you get a 25-ounce cup with its standard lid, and the brew basket, and the brew lid. $23.99, $9.99 by itself. This is not a sponsored video. They didn't give me this to sponsor it. I bought and paid for it. But I do have an affiliate link. So if y'all want to go to the description box and click on my affiliate link, and then do the little search thing at the top of the page for Brew Kit, both of these options will come up. Good for making coffee. Dave made a video with one of the early ones making coffee in it. You can make coffee in this thing. Gonna work well. All right. These are nice small holes in here, but remember, modern coffee is made for drip coffee machines, so it's ground kind of fine. So someone's probably going to go through here. But where I think this is going to excel is making medicinal preps like teas and infusions, things like that. A tea isn't an infusion, by the way. What's that again? So is a coffee. But anyway, if you want to go to Self-Reliance Outfitters website, preferably using my link in the description box, you can get these things. I don't know how many are left in stock. I didn't actually pay attention to how many sold and how many they had and all that other stuff. I know they got quite a few, so they're probably still in stock. But once again, you can order the Brew Kit combo, which is all of this, or you can order just the Brew Kit, which is just this, $9.99, $23.99. And there you have it, the Pathfinder Brew Kit combo. Thanks for watching. See you all in the woods.